Good morning. Here's a short video of how to navigate your United States Census. If you scroll down just a little bit and click on Explore Tables, the census will give you a general overview of all the states you're looking for. You want to click on Geogs and select a particular area, let's say Kings County. When you select Kings County, it will automatically recalculate information. This is download for all the Kings County. Note that this is for 2020. This is the data you want to download by clicking on Excel and saving it in an appropriate folder. Make sure to name it correctly. Once it's downloaded, you'll have a full Excel file with the data that you need. Again, make sure to rename it. That is 2020 data. We'll do the same thing for 2010 data. Just select 2010 and the Excel will again recalculate the information. Download data again. If you're looking for additional information like demographic and housing, or if you want to look at the foreign-born populations, just select the different chart and the census will recalculate information that you need. Again, download it and save it correctly.